Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings. This is where the behavior lives. Once done, use the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P, and choose Preferences, Open Settings, UI. Make sure to search for Suggest and Quick Suggestions so you see the live toggles. Disable Editor. Quick suggestions for comments, strings, and other contexts. That stops inline completion prompts. Also turn off Editor. Suggest on trigger characters, so typing punctuation won't summon suggestions. These changes act immediately in the workspace. Once the global toggles are set, you next adjust language-specific behavior. Click the gear icon in Settings to apply changes only to Python, JavaScript, or whichever language you use. Make sure to review installed completion extensions, Tab 9, Copilot, or similar, and disable their suggestion features or the extension entirely if unwanted. Also turn off Editor. Suggest. Show words and editor. Parameter hints. Enabled to reduce word and parameter pop-ups. This combination targets both built-in IntelliSense. You finish by reloading the window or restarting VS Code so all toggles stick across sessions. Make sure to save changes to either user or workspace settings, depending on scope. Workspace settings keep projects isolated. If suggestions still appear, inspect active extensions. Temporarily disable them, then re-enable one by one to find the culprit. As a quick fix, reset settings to defaults for editor. Suggest asterisk keys, that clears stray overrides. If needed, open the settings JSON to confirm no hidden entries remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.